Hello everybody once again. In previous video I've been saying that I will gonna make a review of AUTOart Dodge Charger Chrysler Charger E49. So today we're gonna make, as promised, a review of this Chrysler Dodge Charger, and this is an Australian version. Looks like that. This is AUTOart Millennium. Absolutely amazing model. I love it. This from first when I see it, I love it. This model is absolutely amazing. It doesn't come in with any some kind of certificates, but this is also limited edition version. And these models are very rare to find online. So let's get open it and we're gonna see what is inside. Color of this car is absolutely amazing. So here it is, brand new. Let's take it out. First time this model is going out from box, and I will gonna leave my fingerprints on this beauty. Let's go around. Yeah. So look at this badges. It's absolutely amazing. Look at this. Such amazing detalization at the back. Here, all these badges. Look at this on the side. This is absolutely amazing. What is underneath? This is AUTOart 118 Chrysler Charger. Probably this car was being made in collaboration with the Dodge, and they created this kind of model. That's how it looks at the back. Interior also black interior, velvet on this. Steering wheel is working along with the wheels. The same right hand drive like in Australia. Other side. Doors like that. And engine is absolutely amazingly presented. This model is absolutely spotless. This is gonna be, it will be proud and joy of my collection. It will gonna stay along with my another two Ford Falcons, and this is absolutely amazing model to present. If you will gonna have opportunity to buy one of them, I'm highly recommended. That's absolutely amazing models. Plus, what is most surprised me from this model, on the Dodge Chargers is a totally different lights. Here on Australian version, the front lights is like that, square. So here it is. Underneath, suspension not working, like on previous one. Back suspension as well not working, but steering wheel is working, and detalization is absolutely amazing. Wheels even with a tiny trim around, with a red tiny trim around. So here it is. Soon supposed to come another model. Wait, let's check. No, antenna is not opening. Let's check tomorrow, not tomorrow, Wednesday, I think, supposed to come another model. It's a J-Mass driver. It will be McLaren, but it's gonna be a Formula model. What I will gonna need to restore it. But probably I will gonna make a review first how was been before, and after I will gonna make another review how I'm restored this model. So keep subscribed to our channel, put the thumbs up, put the notification bell, and you will gonna get notified when I'm gonna release new videos. For now I'm done. Have a good day everybody, and bye bye.